3 worries business owners face. An insight from an accountant. Follow my video and I'll explain more. Hi, I'm Michael from MDH Accountancy, your business growth specialist. Click subscribe to get weekly videos that will help your business grow. There are 3 big fears that I see a lot with small business owners that are absolutely haunting them and their business. Follow my video and I'll explain what they are and more so what you can do to turn them into an advantage. A common problem that I come across with a lot of business owner is they feel just in their heart of hearts they are paying too much tax. Now that's never going to be a great feeling because when you're running your own business, there's a million things to do. There's this, without this grey cloud of thinking that you're overpaying tax. So what you really need to understand is, to start off with, is what you think it should be in the first place. Because it's highly possible that the tax that you're paying could be done very well and you're not actually paying a lot at all. It's just that knowledge and understanding. Now, I don't know in your situation whether that's true or not, but that's one area that I would explore first is you feel like you're paying too much, what do you think you should be paying, and why is there a difference between expectation and the actual final result? Now, a big driver for tax is going to be profit. Profit is going to drive a lot of how much you're going to pay in corporation tax, but there are various levers and pulleys that you can do legitimate planning to reduce that profit, which therefore reduces your tax. An example of that, which is an easy win, is pensions, because they're very attractive for business owners as we sit here in 2024. So have you done a detailed tax review? So I'll give you a little gift now. If you click below, I'll give you our book, which is 70 plus ways to pay less tax. They're all good. So if you go through that booklet today, you could basically say, am I taking advantage of this? Am I not taking advantage of this? And tick off which ones you are, which ones you're not, and which ones may not be directly relevant for you. It's possible. So when you're going through that, that will give you basically an agenda to basically say, right, if I'm not taking advantage of this, why not? Would it benefit us? Now, you need to make sure that your tax advice is relevant, that it's going to hit your personal goal and also to your business strategy. So on our website, we talk about a lot the entrepreneurial journey. So make sure that the tax decisions that you're making link to where you are in your journey, because you need to make sure that you're doing the right decisions for the right part of that journey. Make sure you're doing this for you. The second one is the quality of the books. How many businesses are sitting there and they're running their businesses in the dark? So you get to the year-end accounts meeting or you get into a quarterly meeting and you've got and this white knuckle timer in front of you going, please, how did I get on? Who wants to run their business like that? You want to have basically a scoreboard that's on there all the time that shows you how well you're doing. What key drivers do you need to hit to make your business be successful? One of them is always going to be sales. There will always be some key non-financial numbers that are going to be really relevant to your numbers. But what things do you need to drive to make sure your business is successful? And how regular is that scoreboard up? Because when you look at sporting events, like I'm a massive NFL fan, when they turn the scoreboard off for a couple of minutes, people genuinely lost interest. So if business owners are wading along where they're waiting to either after their year end or everything's well out of date, how much interest could a business owner lose if they haven't got a regular scoreboard on their business? Loads. But that normally goes wrong is because the quality of the bookkeeping is absolute rubbish. Now, this has been the best opportunity to get great bookkeeping because of the cloud systems out there in a minute. We are massive Xero fans. You've got the option for a bank feed so you can reconcile your bank on a regular basis. You've got things like HubDoc or even Dext where you can then capture your invoices. This is easy peasy stuff if it's done correctly. And if it's done correctly, that will give you some better numbers, which will then give you a scoreboard that can help you run your business. So how well is your bookkeeping doing, or are you running your business in the dark? The third one is growing your business. So 2/3 of businesses are looking to grow their business in the last stats that I looked at. So if there's one business owner that side to you, one business owner that side to you, one of them, including yourself, will want to grow their business. So when you're growing your business, you need to make sure that you're doing it strategically, and there is a definite plan. If you're going to grow your business, what's the point? What's it going to achieve? What profit is it going to earn? How is that going to impact your future business and also your family? But when you're growing the business, you need to make certain decisions, and there are different growth levels. So if you have a look at our website, I'll put a link below. We talk about the entrepreneurial journey. So depending on where you are, it could be startup, it could be growth, it could be any stage. Are you making the best decisions in relation to that stage of the journey? So a classic could be in growth stage. Have you got appropriate finance and cash flow to give yourself the best chance with investing within your business, as well as making sure that you can hit liabilities as they come up? You may need equipment, you may need extra team, you may need IT stuff. It could be anything relevant to you, but have you got all that in place for the growth of your business? Because there's a lot of small business owners out there in a minute that are managing their business on their bank accounts, which is not really a strategy. That's on pure hope, isn't it? So if you're going from A to B, you would do a sat-nav route, which would probably be on your phone. Have you got that map on your growth strategy for your business? Because it normally doesn't mean that the business owner earns all the money first, because they're always the last to get paid. But ultimately, would that then give you a lever where you could earn more money in the future? So make sure when you're on your growth strategy, you've got a definite plan and you've got a definite strategy, and you are following that to make sure it is executed to the best of your ability. Now, I hope this video has really helped. If there's any questions that come up, feel free to click my link below. I'll happily jump on a discovery call with you, get to know you, get to know your business, take on board any questions you have, and I promise there'll be no pushy sales pitch. But if you are looking to grow, we've got 2 programs that are designed specifically for business owners at your stage. Click the link below, as we'd love to see you on one of our trainings.